जय नारायण बच्चों, I hope you all are doing good. I hope you are following SMS rule. S means what? S means soap. You have to wash your hands with soap for 30 seconds. And M for mask. You have to wear your mask whenever you go outside. And S for social distancing. You have to maintain social distance of 6 feet or 2 meters. So today we are going to start a second part of the same chapter, The Cop and the Anthem. This is chapter 4, The Cop and the Anthem, from your book An Alien Hand, which was written by O. Henry. And we were talking about a young man, Soapy. So he was looking into the mirror. He found himself fine. His face was clean, his coat was clean. So he thought that he could get entry into that fine restaurant. But as soon as he put his foot inside the restaurant, the waiters blocked his entry. Next, went to a shop with a glass window. So there is a shop with a glass window. As soon as he was thrown by the waiter outside the restaurant, he started thinking of another way to get into the jail. So there he found a beautiful shop with a white glass window. So he thought to pick up a big stone and throw it through the glass. He thought people would reach there and they would call cops. A cop arrived also, but did not consider Soapy to have done, because he thought in case he would have done that, he would have run away from that place. But Soapy was still there, so the cop thought that he couldn't do such things, or he couldn't do that thing. Soapy couldn't do that thing. Soapy was disappointed. The cop saw another man running and went after him. Soapy was shocked and was very disappointed from himself that what he wanted to get caught by the police and he wanted to get into the jail. Now he found another way. Next he went to another restaurant and sat down at table. Was soon eating a big dinner. When he had finished, he said that he had no money. Soon he was thrown on the street outside the waiters. This time also he found another restaurant that was not like the finest one, but it was okay restaurant. So he thought to have a dinner there and say no for paying bills. And he did the same. This time, instead of calling the cops, the waiters, or the owner of the restaurant, he was thrown on the street outside by the waiters. His dream of being taken to prison failed again. No cop was going to arrest him. See, in this picture, as I have said, he was thrown on the street outside the waiters by the waiters. Then he thought of another way to get catch by the police. Then he began to shout as if he had drunk too much. He danced and cried out on the street. The cop ignored him, taking him for some noisy college boy. Now this time he thought of another way, so he started pretending that he had drunk and he started crying, he started shouting on the street, but the cops ignored him. Why? Because they have got instructions to avoid or to ignore the college boys, and the cops thought that he was a college boy. Then he thought another way again. Then he stole a man's umbrella kept beside a shop door. The owner followed him, but he let Soapy go. This time he thought to steal someone's umbrella. इस बार उसने किसी का एक छाता रखा हुआ था और वो इंसान, वो कस्टमर न्यूज़पेपर ख़रीद रहा था. उसी वक्त उसने सोचा कि मैं इसका अम्ब्रेला चुरा लेता हूँ, फिर मुझे पुलिस पकड़ के ले जाएगी और मैं इस तरीके से जेल चला जाऊँगा. So the owner followed him, but he let Soapy go because he himself was carrying a stolen umbrella. But this time also Soapy failed. Why? Because that person who was buying a newspaper, he himself had stolen someone's umbrella, and that was the stolen umbrella. In this picture you can see that man himself is saying sorry to Soapy, and he was telling him that he himself found that umbrella in a restaurant in the morning, Soapy at last came to a quiet street. He was passing one street. There he found his childhood home, and he felt sorry for wasting his life in such a way. There was a sudden change in his soul. He decided to pursue a right path, and he decided to pull himself out of the mud and get a job. What was that mud? That mud of, wrong mind, wrong things. So he wanted to get out of that mud and wanted to pursue a simple life. So he decided to get a job the next morning. Soon there came a cop who arrested him. Why? Who arrested him for hanging around there. He was just roaming there, and because of that reason, the cop decided to arrest him. Next morning, the judge sent Soapy to prison on Blackwell's Island for 3 months. So, here, when Soapy wanted to get into the prison, the cop didn't arrest him. But on the other hand, when he finally changed himself, he found change in himself. There, he started feeling sorry for his life, and he wanted to change himself. He wanted to pursue right path. Then and there, the cop arrested him and sent him to prison on Blackwell's Island for 3 months. Here we were discussing about anthem. So that anthem, that soft is used for the change in Soapy. Whatever the changes came in him in Soapy through the word anthem, we were talking about that change. As the music moves you, in the same way that childhood home moved Soapy. And finally he decided to change his life. But as soon as he decided to change his life, he was arrested by the police. So this happens with us also. When we want something, we don't get. And on the other hand, when we don't want that thing, we get, unconsciously. So this is the life. If we talk about the moral of the story, we should always keep our hopes high. We should always have faith in ourselves, in God, and we should never lose hope. What was Soapy's main goal? What suggestion would you like to give to Soapy? You have to answer these questions. This is your homework. True or false? You have to do in your copy. Thank you so much for the day, Jen.